In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your laptop or computer. So the very first thing you need to do is just go and open up your File Explorer, and then over on the left hand side, you need to click on the drop down arrow next to this PC. Now from here, you'll be able to see all of the drives that are currently connected to your computer, and what you'll need to do now is go and connect your external drive to your computer using a USB cable. So once your drive's connected, you should be able to see your external drive from the list here, and my external drive is this new volume D drive, but for yours it could be called something else. So once you see your drive in the list, you can just go and close out of this window, open up the start menu, search for control panel and click on this window here. In the top right hand side, make sure view by is set to large icons, and then click on backup and restore. You then need to press setup backup and then go and select your external drive from the list and press next, and it will say what do you want to back up. Now you can back up everything just by selecting let Windows choose, or you can press let me choose, and then you can go and select the specific documents or files that you want to back up. Now I'm going to be selecting this option and press next, and then you can just go and select all of the things that you want to back up on your computer. You can then go and press next, and finally we can just press save settings and run backup, and once you've done that, all of your data will be stored to your external drive. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.